Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to resolve problems with Microsoft Outlook if the search functionality is not working. So in this brief tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to go through some of the indexing options we have at our disposal on our Windows device to hopefully resolve this problem in a quick and timely manner. So we're going to jump right into it, and we are going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and you want to open it up. Now you want to type in Control Panel. Should be listed right above Desktop App on Windows 10, Windows 8, and older versions of Windows should not say Desktop App. So you want to left click on that. Once you've selected that, you want to make sure your View By category at the top is set to either large icons or small icons. I'm going to do large because just for the ease of use it's a little bit easier to see. And near the top, or I should say near the middle of this area, you don't have to even scroll down. There should be something that says indexing options in the middle column. You want to double click to open that up. Now you want to left click on the modify button near the bottom left. Now underneath selected locations, there might be a folder for you guys if you're experiencing this problem with Outlook. This says Microsoft Office Outlook. You want to uncheck that one as well. And then once you make sure that one is unchecked, you're going to click on OK. And then once you're done doing that, you're going to restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, you want to get back into indexing options by going through the control panel and following the steps we did in the first part of this tutorial. Once you're back onto this screen, you're going to click on Modify again. And then anything you unchecked, you're going to check it again. So if you had Internet Explorer history unchecked when you clicked on OK the first time, you're going to check it again. So basically undoing what you originally did. And then you're going to click on OK. Once you're done doing that, you're going to click on the Advanced tab in the middle. You might need user account control privileges, so just click on OK if you get any messages like that. And then underneath Troubleshooting, Delete and Rebuild Index should be the middle area of this page. Left click on Rebuild. It'll say rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. Some views and search results might be incomplete until rebuilding is finished. You will click on OK. So I'm not going to click on OK in this case. But for you guys, you do want to click on OK. Let it run, then restart your computer, see if it works. However, if you're still experiencing problems, the only and last resort I could see recommending to you guys would be to go back underneath Advanced. And then underneath index location, change the current location by selecting new. And then you can make a new folder and then change the indexing location. But again, I would not recommend doing that until you've exhausted the other options we've gone through. But I do hope that this brief tutorial helped you guys out. And I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.